Ever wonder how professional editors make their transitions feel completely seamless? That is the magic of the match cut. It is a powerful tool that connects to unrelated scenes through visual logic, turning simple edits into cinematic poetry. First, let's explore graphic match cuts. This technique uses similar shapes and compositions to create instant continuity for the viewer. By aligning a round wall clock with a spinning bicycle wheel in the same position, you guide the eye effortlessly across the cut. Then, there are action match cuts. These are all about momentum and matching the physical energy of a movement. Watch how the movement of throwing a frisbee flows perfectly into the act of catching a pizza box in a different setting. You can also match lighting and color. This technique builds an emotional link between scenes using a shared color palette. See how the vibrant red of the sunset transitions into the glow of a neon sign in a dark, rainy city street. Finally, experiment with symbolic matches to push your creative boundaries, from a human eye to a camera lens. Every cut is an opportunity to surprise your audience. The only limit is your imagination. It is time to start editing. Master the match cut and transform your storytelling. Start your next project today.